Now children, this long answer question is taken from same chapter, metals and non-metals. State whether a displacement reaction will occur if the following are mixed. Give reason. Displacement reaction. Right? Displacement reaction, one element is displaced by another element. Right? But this displacement is possible on the basis of position of elements in the reactivity series. Which metal or which element is more reactive? More reactive element can displace less reactive element. Okay children, this is the reactivity series. First topmost element is potassium and bottommost is gold. Right? This is the arrangement of elements in their decreasing reactivity, right, or moving down in the reactivity series, reactivity of element decreases, right. In this pair of potassium and sodium, potassium is more reactive than sodium, right. In this pair, barium is more reactive than calcium, magnesium is more reactive than aluminium, zinc is more than iron, or in this pair, aluminium is more reactive than zinc, right? Iron nickel, this is more, this is less. Copper, mercury, elements which are placed below hydrogen, right, are less reactive than elements which are placed above hydrogen in the reactivity series. Copper and mercury, copper is more. Silver and gold, silver is more. Although elements which are placed below hydrogen are less noble metals, noble elements, right? But under specific conditions, drastic conditions, then reaction is possible. Now children, first set is of copper sulfate with zinc metal. This reaction is possible or not? What is the position of zinc and copper? Zinc is more reactive than copper. This is decreasing reactivity, right? Zinc is more reactive than copper. Then displacement is possible, reaction is possible. Give reason. Reason is this one. Zinc is more reactive than copper. This displacement is possible. Copper is displaced by zinc. And what are final products? Zinc sulfate and copper. This is displacement reaction. Okay. In left hand side, copper is attached with SO4 group, sulfate group, and right hand side zinc is attached with sulfate group. Right? This is displacement reaction. Displacement of copper by iron metal is possible or not? Again, which element is more reactive? Which metal is more reactive? Iron or copper? Iron. Iron is placed above, right? Above. This iron is more reactive than copper. Then displacement is possible, right? In product side, iron sulfate plus copper or ferrous sulfate. Okay, children? Third set, zinc and copper. Which element is more reactive? Zinc, this one. Already written, zinc is more reactive than copper. Right? Less reactive metal cannot displace more reactive. In this case, reaction is not possible. No reaction or no displacement. Right? FeSO4, iron sulfate, zinc. Zinc is more than iron. Zinc is more reactive than iron. Zinc and iron already selected. In this pair, this metal is more reactive than iron. Okay. Here displacement is possible. ZnSO4 plus iron metal. Fe, copper, no, copper is less reactive. No. Fe and copper. This is Fe is more reactive than copper. This displacement is not possible. Zinc sulfate and iron metal Zinc is more reactive than iron. This combination, third one. Zinc is more reactive than iron. Less reactive metal cannot displace. Right? Not possible. Next one, zinc sulfate, magnesium. Magnesium and zinc. Magnesium is more reactive. Magnesium is more reactive than zinc. Magnesium is more reactive than zinc. This displacement is possible. This reaction is possible. MgSO4 plus Zn. Displacement of zinc metal from its salt solution. Right? Here reason less reactivity of copper and iron than iron and zinc. And here reaction is possible, more reactive. Right? More reactive metal can displace less reactive metal. Now children, important observation, copper sulfate is blue color solution. This is colorless. Change in color from blue color to colorless indicates that reaction is going on. Right? Again blue, but this is green. Iron sulfate is light green color salt. Its solution is light green color solution. And this is blue. Colorless. This is green, green to colorless. Same color, green, and this is colorless, no color. Iron sulfate to green, no reaction. Zinc sulfate colorless, MgSO4 colorless, right? But in case of colored solution, when color changes from one to another, it means reaction occurs or reaction is possible. Okay, children? We can write color of some salts or their aqueous solutions like copper sulfate, which is blue color solution. Copper sulfate in water forms a blue color solution. Iron sulfate in water forms a green color solution. Okay. Only two colored salts are written in these sets. Okay. Thank you, children.